In this video, I'll show you how to customize the controller layout in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So launch the game on your console, then press the options buttons, or rather option button in the controller to access this menu. Then use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the settings icon. This will reveal all the settings. So scroll down and select controller, choose that. And then from here, ensure that you're in the controller tab. So in case maybe you're in the movement tab or any other tab, use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the controller tab. Then scroll down and select edit button layout. So choose that. Now you can either choose to select a default preset, or rather choose a preset that are available in the Black Ops 6, or you can manually do this by customizing each button to suit your needs. So let's say, for example, if you want to choose a preset, so select button layout preset, and then you'll see a list of all the presets that are currently available. So as you scroll through each preset, on the right side, you'll see a preview on what this preset is all about. So each and every button that has been enabled to perform different actions in that particular preset. So find the preset you'd like and then choose it. Let's say, for example, if I want to choose tactical, so select that, and that will choose that particular tactical preset. Alternatively, or additionally, if you want to do a custom preset, simply come on the button layout preset and then select custom, and then now scroll down and find the button, or rather the option you'd like to change. So if you want to fire your weapon using the L1 or the R1 button, so select fire weapon, and then on your controller, press that button you'd like to use to fire a weapon. So if I want to use the R1 button, select that, and that button will be customized. So you can do the same with all other settings. So if you want your melee to be in another button, so select the melee, and then press the button that you'd like to use for that particular feature. So let me press L1 maybe, and do the same for all other settings that you desire. So once done, you can exit the settings and the changes will be applied. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.